That big refund feels like free money, but it's not. You've been giving the government an interest-free loan. Say you get a $2,000 refund. If your withholding was ideal, you'd have $59,000 extra all year. First, pay off any high-interest debt. Next, build an emergency fund for security. Then, invest for your future. Finally, use some for something fun. This order maximizes your refund. I have this tax refund. Should I pay off my debts? Or should I invest it for the future? It's a tough choice. What if I regret it? I think investing is the smarter move. Ever wonder why your tax refund vanishes so fast? It's because of windfall spending. You treat it as extra, so you spend impulsively. Understanding this psychology helps you save it instead. You get a $1,000 refund. The choice is yours. Save it? The money just sits there. Invest it? Watch your money grow. Spend it? It vanishes quickly. So, what's your choice? By the end, you'll understand how refunds can accidentally make people worse off financially. Refund anticipation loans and impulse spending can turn refunds into traps. Let's see how this happens. Hi, let's learn a simple strategy for investing your tax refund. Step 1, open a free brokerage account. Step 2, deposit your refund. Step 3, invest in a low-cost index fund. And that's it! Ever wonder why your tax refund is different every year? It's all about these three things: tax withholding from your paycheck. Second, any tax credits you can claim. And third, changes in your life, like a new job or family. A big refund seems great, but it can be an illusion. High withholding gives you a large refund later, but it lowers your take-home pay all year. Low withholding means more money now and less refunded later. Check your W-4 to optimize. Should you invest your tax refund or pay off debt? Let's compare. First, pay off high-interest debt, like credit cards. Next, match investment returns to your debt rates. Finally, build an emergency fund. Now you can decide. Why the IRS refund feels like winning the lottery. Topic: mental accounting and financial behavior. It's like winning the lottery, but it's just your own money. Got a small tax refund? Here's how to turn it into long-term wealth. The topic is compound growth basics. By the end, you'll see how investing small windfalls can grow over time. You get a tax refund and buy stuff. But what about the hidden cost? The opportunity cost? That's the trade-off, the next best thing you give up. Hey, let's break down tax credits versus deductions. A deduction lowers your taxable income. A credit directly reduces the taxes you owe. So a credit often saves you more money. See? Not so complicated. Let's explain why refunds vary. First, the earned income tax credit for low-income workers. Second, withholding differences. If too much is taken, you get a bigger refund. That's the main reasons. Hey, a refund! Time for some upgrades. Perfect. Time for a feast! Refunds just level up your whole day. Your first investment with a tax refund. Step 1, open a brokerage account. Step 2, deposit your refund. Step 3, choose an investment. Step 4, buy your first stock. The tax refund trap for young workers. Here's the problem. Most people spend their refund right away, but if you save or invest it, you can build real wealth. So, save or invest your refund. It's the smart move. Imagine you get a tax refund. As time passes, its value quietly shrinks due to inflation. The money you receive today will buy less in the future. That's the hidden effect of inflation. Tax refund? Time to treat myself, right? But these treats add up. That's lifestyle inflation. See, this calculator shows the long-term cost. So, enjoy treats, but track them, or your refund will disappear. Should you invest your tax refund or save it? An emergency fund saves for rainy days. Investing grows your money for the future. So, savings should come before investing. The fastest way to waste a tax refund? High-interest debt and impulse purchases. It starts with debt, then impulse buys. And just like that, your refund is erased. Let's see how to avoid this. Here's the tax refund upgrade trap. You buy a new phone with your refund. But now you need a data plan. That's lifestyle creep. One upgrade creates recurring expenses. First, banks offer you a speedy refund. Then, apps and stores dangle deals and advances. By the time your refund arrives, they've taken their share. This is how they capture your money. Got a tax refund? Here's a smart way to use it. Split it up, 30% for fun, 40% for saving, and 30% for investing. This balanced plan helps you enjoy today and build for tomorrow. What happens if you don't file taxes? By the end, you'll understand the common outcomes. Consequences of not filing include penalties, interest, and possible legal trouble. Penalties add up fast, and the IRS can audit or even charge you. Young people ignore taxes until it's too late. They don't understand how taxes work or why they matter. This is due to a lack of financial literacy. We must educate them early. Everything you need to know about tax refunds. The full refund system explained. By the end, you'll understand how refunds actually work, why they exist, and how to use them wisely.